नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या या गणिताच्या तासिकेत आपणा सर्वांचं स्वागत. What is commission? Sometimes it is not possible for a company to sell their manufactured goods. In such a case, the company assigns responsibility of selling the goods. The person gets some remuneration for the service. The remuneration is called commission. रिम्युनरेशन म्हणजे मोबदला. वस्तूचं उत्पादन करणाऱ्या कंपनीला आपला माल स्वतः विकणं शक्य नसतं. अशा वेळेस ती कंपनी काही व्यक्तींवर आपला माल विकण्याची जबाबदारी सोपवते आणि या सेवेबद्दल त्या व्यक्तींना त्याचा मोबदला दिला जातो. या मोबदल्याला कमिशन असं म्हणतात. अशा प्रकारचं काम करणाऱ्या व्यक्तीला कमिशन एजंट असं म्हणतात. Commission is decided in terms of percentage. The rates of commission vary according to the type of goods. कमिशन हे शेकडेवारीत देण्यात येतं आणि त्याचा दर हा वस्तूनुसार वेगवेगळा असतो. If the owners of land, houses, cattle want to sell the belongings, it is not easy for them to find such customers. In such a situation, the person who brings the seller and the buyer together is known as the mediator or an agent or a commission agent. जमीन, घरं, गुरंढोरं यांच्या मालकांना या वस्तूंची विक्री करताना सहजासहजी ग्राहक मिळेलच असं नसतं आणि त्यामुळे विकणारा व खरेदी करणारा यांना एकत्र आणण्याचं काम जी व्यक्ती करते तिला मेडिएटर म्हणजे मध्यस्थ, एजंट म्हणजे दलाल किंवा कमिशन एजंट असं म्हणतात. फूड ग्रेन्स, व्हेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स अँड फ्लॉवर्स आर ऑल्सो सोल्ड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ मेडिएटर ऑर एन एजंट. फॉर द जॉब द एजंट गेट कमिशन अँड द कमिशन इज रिसिव्ड फ्रॉम द सेलर ऑर द बायर फ्रॉम बोथ. What is rebate? Rebate is a type of discount. Practice set 9.2. Question number first. John sold books worth rupees 4,500 for a publisher. For this, he received 15% commission. Complete the following activity to find the total commission John obtained. Selling price of books, it is 4,500 rupees. Rate of commission, it is 15%. Therefore, commission obtained is equal to rate of commission into selling price. So, rate of commission is 15 upon 100 into 4,500. Carry out the calculations, we get 675. Question number 2. Rafiq sold flowers worth rupees 15,000 by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid. Find the amount received by Rafiq. प्रश्न मराठीमध्ये समजून घ्या. रफिकने 4% दलाली देऊन दलालामार्फत 15,000 रुपयांची फुलं विकली. तर दलाली काढा आणि रफिकला मिळणारी रक्कम काढा. First, write down the given things. What is given? Selling price of flowers. Selling price of flowers. It is equal to rupees 15,000. Commission. equal to 4%. What we have to find? The commission paid by Rafiq and amount received by Rafiq. We have to find commission paid and amount received by Rafiq. Therefore, commission equal to percentage commission into selling price. It is 4 upon 100 into 15,000. Carry out the calculations. Therefore, commission is equal to 0, 0 cancel. We get 150 into 4. Therefore, commission is equal to 600 rupees. We have to also calculate amount received by Rafiq. So Rafiq get the amount by giving this commission. So we have to subtract the commission from the selling price. Therefore, amount received by Rafiq is equal to selling price minus commission. That is equal to 15,000 minus 600. Carry out the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. Borrow 1, 1. 14,400. ₹14,400 are received. Question number 3. A farmer sold food grains for 9,200 rupees through an agent. The rate of commission was 2%. How much amount did the agent get? एका शेतकऱ्याने 9,200 रुपये किमतीचा माल अडत्यामार्फत विकला. एजंट म्हणजे अडत्या. त्याला 2% अडत द्यावी लागली. कमिशन किती द्यावं लागलं? 2%. तर काय काढायचंय? अडत्याला किती रक्कम मिळाली? हाऊ मच अमाऊंट इज रिसिव्ड बाय द एजंट. Write down the given things. Selling price of food grains. It is equal to 9,200 rupees. Rate of commission it is equal to 2%. What we have to find out? How much amount did the agent get? Amount received by agent. We have to find out. We have to solve the example. Therefore, amount received by agent is equal to selling price into commission, rate of commission. Put the values, that is equal to 9200 into 2 upon 100. Carry out the calculations. 0 0 cancel. 92 into 2, that is 184 rupees. So the answer, write down, the agent get 184 rupees. Therefore agent get 184 rupees. This is our answer.